How often should I use purple shampoo on brown hair?
Hello, beautiful souls. Today, we're delving into the realm of hair care, specifically focusing on the usage of purple shampoo on brown hair. Purple shampoo, usually used to combat brassiness in blonde or silver hair, can indeed have effects on brown hair as well.
What does purple shampoo do?
Purple shampoo is designed to neutralize the brassy tones that can develop over time in color-treated hair. It works on the color wheel principle, where purple and yellow are opposite each other. Therefore, the purple pigment in the shampoo helps to neutralize any yellow or orange undertones, giving your hair a cooler, fresher look. In the case of brown hair, the effects might be less noticeable. However, if you have light brown hair or brown hair with highlights, the purple shampoo can help to keep those lighter parts from turning brassy.
How often should you use purple shampoo on brown hair?
Now, coming to the core of our discussion, how often should you use purple shampoo on brown hair? Well, it depends largely on the shade of your brown hair and what results you're looking for. If you have light brown hair or brown hair with blonde highlights, you might benefit from using purple shampoo once a week. This can help to maintain the cooler tones of your highlights or overall color. On the other hand, if you have dark brown hair without any highlights, using purple shampoo might not have a significant effect. However, if you still wish to use it for any subtle toning, you can do so around once every 2 weeks.
How to use purple shampoo correctly?
Remember, purple shampoo should be used in moderation. Using it too frequently can lead to hair becoming overly toned, which might result in a slight purple or blue tinge. It's usually recommended to leave it on for about 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing, but always follow the instructions on your specific product. In conclusion, purple shampoo can be a beneficial addition to your hair care routine if you're looking to combat brassiness in brown hair, especially if it's light brown or has highlights. Remember, moderation is key. We hope this video has been helpful and leaves you feeling confident in navigating your hair care journey. Remember, everyone's hair is different, so it might take a little bit of experimentation to find the routine that works best for you. Happy shampooing!